Hello, hello. Today, today, I am super pumped to be talking about these boots that I have been looking at and wanting for at least 2 years now since I first saw them. These are Rolling Dub Trio's Loro Zip Western boot, and these are the sickest boots, probably my favorite boots I own now. These are just super freaking cool. Rolling Dub Trio just killed it with these. Absolutely nailed it. These are beautiful. And also, they fit me perfectly. So, which is a struggle for me as an 11 and a half US, and Rolling Dub Trio seems to hate 11 and a half US in that they don't make that size. So all the sizing recommendations for most of their shoes and boots are, full down, maybe even 1.5 sometimes, but not really. It's mostly full down. And of course they don't make a 10 and a half. They go 10 and 11. And my Jodhpurs that I got with them, I got an 11, and those fit, but they don't fit perfect. They're close, and I'm super happy with those still, but they're not perfect. I got these in an 11 as well, and these fit perfect. These fit basically exactly like a pair of 11 and a half D Lucchese's to me, like a standard Western cowboy boot fit, but half down is like a true to size cowboy boot to me, at least for me. But these are just impeccable. Like, I really can't speak highly enough about these. The design, the shape, the fit, they just nailed it. Like, what? Okay, so let me go through this real quick. This lower and vamp are a Horsebutt, a black Horsebutt, but it's like a really very even grain. Like the clicking, they took such great care in picking the leather cuts for this, and in the vamp, like perfectly on both of them, have this placed intact shell piece here that will keep them from creasing ugly. And we have the toe bug here. Obviously, I don't have a lot of footwear with the toe bug, but this is very low-key, not too loud, and I love it. Beautiful toe shape, kind of squared off toe, tonal stitch down here. I guess they call this a direct welt, which is popular with a lot of the Japanese makers. And I love the sole that Rolling Dub Trio uses. It's this neoprene cork sole, which is low profile, but really tough. And, nice heel on here, really tall, nice heel with a great shape, beautiful. And the upper on these is a goat upper, which is like a textured, like pebbled goat, which is perfect for a Western vibe. And they have this flame embroidery on it, which is just gorgeous. Like, I have a number of Western boots with nice embellishments on the shaft, but this is just taking it next level. Normally you would have like 3, 4, 5, 6 colors maybe, but apparently this, and it's hard to see because it's pretty chill, but there's like 20 different colors in here. And so it's very, very detailed, very time consuming to make these, I'm sure. And it's very clear that they were made with great care by the bootmakers in Japan making these. And they're just beautiful. This zipper, this is one of those things where, like, when I first saw zip up, Side zips, I was just like, nope. But, my tastes have evolved. I've gotten a number of, cowboy boots. So this is just sort of the, next evolution here. But this is a super sturdy hardware. It's not going to be breaking down on you or ripping at all. There's a little pull tab that hides inside here. But I've read like people say they have a hard time putting these on, but I don't have a problem at all. Like my foot just goes right in. This zipper makes it super easy to pop them on and off. And so they're super versatile and they just look dynamite, like super killer, badass. If they make another color in this, I'm gonna be really wanting these. I actually lucked out picking these up. Obviously I didn't do like any kind of a pre-order or anything. So my good boot buddy in Canada, Jason, gave me the heads up that Lost and Found in Toronto got, a very small shipment of these in. And he knew that I had been wanting these for a while. So gave me the heads up. And since, they're on my absolute Insta buy list, I just was like, yep, buying those. And literally as soon as I bought them, Lost and Found sent their email out and then all the sizes were gone. So thank you, Jason, as usual, not helping me with the boot addiction, but I appreciate the heads up as always, helping me out. I can't say enough good things about Lost and Found as well. What a great shop. So, as an American, I get to buy from them with a decent conversion, no tax. They don't charge you for shipping. They use 2-day express FedEx. So it's like at your door in like 2 days, which is ridiculous from Canada. No, weird fees or tariffs or taxes, nothing. Like those guys are killing it, doing it right. Super helpful. I emailed them after I ordered, just to kind of make sure I wasn't going to get like slapped with some sort of weird fees or anything, just the way things are going right now. And they assured me that, they had my back and everything would be just fine. And they were 100% right. I trusted them. I've ordered a couple things from them in the past, but that was a while ago. So, just with the times that are going on right now, but these were cheaper than any other like US retailer by like $300 at least, which is crazy to me. So I totally lucked out scooping these up, and I'm just super psyched about these. Easily now my favorite boots. I'm wearing them all the time. I think they're beautiful. They fit my vibe. They fit my wardrobe. They go with everything. Just impeccably crafted, made, beautiful materials, great attention to detail. Beautiful. I'll just keep saying that over and over again. So I'll stop here. I'll probably do, a follow-up at some point after I get a bunch of miles on them. But, I'm super, super pumped about these. And like I haven't been for a pair of boots in a really long time. So love these. Not a ton of content about these. So definitely worth kind of putting them out there, showing them off a little bit. Let me know if you have any questions as usual. And I hope you have a lovely day. Catch you later. Ciao.